name is Ella Gibbs. I am on the Level 3 Production Apprenticeship with the BBC in the Sports Department.
I'm Luca Muzupapa. I'm in a Production Apprenticeship in the Sports Department with the BBC.
Hi, I'm James Ledger and I'm working on the BBC Sports Production Apprenticeship.
One new skill that I've developed on placement would be editing skills. I've used Shotcut, InShot, a little bit of Final Cut, so it's nice to just work across different platforms and see how they differ. Another skill that I have learned is time codes, but more so to make sure that you actually check whether that time code is in time of day or whether it's time of the production. So that was a big thing that I've taken away.
Since starting, I've definitely developed my editing skills, mainly audio but also a little bit of video as well, and also my writing skills. I've been writing articles about sport for the website, so they've definitely improved.
So the first one's probably audio skills. So I've been working a lot with Radio Wales, so I've been using software called Dira to clip, edit and make packages on montages for radio. And then second is going out with video journalists and seeing how they put a feature together through different angles and different camera, kind of the use of different cameras and how they put that together to make one big story.
My best moment so far, that was the Scrum 5 production top fives with Mike Bubbins. I was a bit of a runner on there, taking the time codes, which is where I learned how to do that. It was just nice to see how a smaller production ran with quite a small crew, but it was nice to get to know new people and ask questions about their job and how they do it. And also nice to see Mike, how he is as a comedian, how he runs sort of his presentation of himself just naturally but also on set, which is exactly the same. But yeah, that was my top moment.
Probably going to the Wales games in football and rugby. More football at the moment because Wales aren't great at rugby, but they've definitely been fun.
Yeah, I think my favourite day so far is going out with a video journalist called Tom Brown, and we attended the Paralympic and Olympic homecoming event at the Senedd, and being in that environment was great itself, but also watching Tom and how he interacts and he moves around the environment we were in to capture the story, and then seeing that created was really cool and kind of was a really good eye-opener to the world of journalism and capturing special moments like that.